Hi, I have in front of me here the Amiko Mini HD high definition satellite receiver. Basically it comes in this presentation box here. I'll just quickly go through what comes inside the box. You have a user manual which is in English, which we can see here. We have a remote control, it's good quality remote control with a set of AAA batteries. We have a power unit, which we can see it's an external power unit, powers the box directly. We have an RCA cable, we have an RS232 cable, we have a HDMI cable, and we also have this IR sensor that comes with it as well. Now, the IR sensor part is actually interesting in terms of the design of the box as such. If we look at the bottom of it here, where we can actually mount it via the sticky pads onto a wall or directly onto the back of a television. And what we could do then is we can just run this sensor and leave it on top of the television, so we can aim the remote control directly at the sensor and operate the box, which is completely out of sight. So if we come along anyway, we'll just give an overview of the box itself. So on the front panel of it, there's purely just a display. If we rotate the box around and look here, we'll see we have a USB port here. And if we actually just turn over the box at this point, what I'll do is quite handily. What we can do here is, you just mentioned what I said earlier, with these sticky pads here, and you can see the slots here underneath. So if we had two screws in the wall, we can just drop the box into position. If we rotate it to the far side here, we'll actually see there's a slot here. This is with a Conax reader built inside, so you can actually insert a card reader in here. And finally we'll come along and we'll just look at the back of the box. We'll just move into a slightly better position for describing this here. We have a satellite input here, we have a digital optical output here. What we have here is we have an AV out, we have an RS232 connection here. Normally that would be used in the older days for software upgrades, etc. With the IR sensor can be placed here, you can just see the port here for it. We have a HDMI output, and that would obviously be for connecting directly onto your high definition TV. We have an Ethernet port here which you can use for setting it onto the internet and networking it that way. We have a second USB port here, and we also then come along and we have the power input on it here. Now this particular product proves to be very, very popular. It's part of a wider range of Amiko products that we have available on the tvtrade.ie website, and it's proved to be very popular with both trade and end consumer customers.